Project code IOT 11. Project title Automatic Railway Gate Crossing Control and Track Reduction System using IoT. So, main theme of the project. So we are going to develop a railway gate crossing system which is automated railway gate crossing which is automated and also crack direction system. So abstract of the project. So initially in real time scenario, so what are the drawbacks we are facing means, so railway gates are manually operated, and then crack detection is impossible. This is the drawbacks in the existing system. So this one is overcome using a proposed system. So we are using Arduino based railway crack detection and track monitoring system. So here we are using sensors and then cloud based communication. So which is going to overcome the drawbacks of the existing system, and it is operated automatically. So drawbacks existing concept. So everything is operated manually. So on human manpower is needed. So drawback. So security is lesser and crack detection is checked manually. So in proposed system we are going to implement a automated automated railway gate crossing and automated crack detection system. So no need of manpower required. So and then crack detection is easier to identify. So block diagram, here we are using an Arduino controller. We are using IR sensor is input, these are inputs, and then GPS, and then for outputs we are using LCD, IoT model, GSM, LED. These are outputs, and the servo motor is used for gate, act as a gate. And then hardware requirements, we are using Arduino microcontroller. Its operating voltage is plus 5 volt DC. IC name is Atmega 2560, and then having pin configuration of 0 to 53 pins and digital pins and A0 to A15 and log pins. So and then servo motor, we are using 5 volt servo motor. Its its operating angle is 0 to 180 degree rotation. And then LCD, reducing 16 cross to LCD. This one is column, this one is row. So operating voltage is plus 5 volt DC. So next one is GPS. Here we are using GPS model. So it's using communication of UART, universal asynchronous receiver transmitter model. So it gives the latitude and longitude coordinates. So and then we are using IR sensor for crack detection, and then we are using GSM model. We are using SIM 800L. It's a 2G based model. So and then we are using IOT model for IOT ESP 8266 version 12E. Supporting voltage is plus 5 volt DC. It's using communication UART protocol to controller interface. So these are the hardware requirements. And then for power supply we are using 12 volt adapter. Inside having SMPS which converts 230 volt to AC to 12 volt DC using 7805 IC by converting 12 volt DC to 5 volt DC. And then software requirements. Softwares we are using Arduino IDE, and the language we are using Embedded C. So Embedded C is a using C language. We are going to code hardware. This is embedded language, embedded C language. So real-time examples. So first one we can get the crack and then used in public transportation, etc. Conclusion. So we have developed a railway crack detection system, and also we implemented automated railway gate crossing. Thank you.